God dang. Oh. Hasta mucho, gente. Si tiene feria. Si tiene feria.
You see me here, you see me there. Been overseas, been through the air. Traveling around the world, that's how I roll.
Alright guys, I'm giving y'all a look of just a little walk through the neighborhood. As we always promise, you see what we see. We're gonna go through there, so we don't have to go. It's shorter going through there, cause you gotta go. Yeah. Instead of walking through. Like I said, it is let's see, she got any bread. She didn't get no breadfruit. She stocked up on her breadfruit. Tomorrow, no? Okay, I'll check. Okay, thank you. No, not the breadfruit. Not the breadfruit, Mom. No.
Well, they have a hard time cooking it, or?
I don't know, getting it. You know, they got to buy it from somebody. Shit. So if they got the money to buy it, how they gonna get it? They got to buy it. Motherfucker looking at you like you wanna, you know, guys over there looking at you like they wanna tear you apart.
¿Quién?
Them guys all over there. No, brother, thank you.
It just has support that China.
I got. Oh, that's a hardware store. Shit, yeah, Sonny. Gabacho. Another gabacho. Yeah, all over here. Courts. I don't know what's in that court. Food courts? Courts. All them kids in there getting, that's what I'm saying, the kids have money. They all of here standing to get something to eat. But then it's dinero. That's all they can eat. Yep. Yep, mira, en la mano. Puro look at mira. Man, y'all, as you can see, that it is plenty of traffic out here. Plenty of people out here, guys. It is a lot of kids. School, I guess. Hello. La mismo. La pasé ahorita. Hello. And yes, they out here on it. Mucho gente. I'm talking about the streets are full. People in line over there for the immigration office. I guess that's the immigration. Mira, SLBs, mira. Right there, caminando. Allá. Allá. Mira su. Mira los chamacos ahí. Con las manos.
¿De las manos?
Las niñas caminando mano a mano. Sí.
Mano a mano.
Mano a mano. Mano a mano. Caminando. Caminando mano a mano. Yeah, guys. This is like one of the busiest area over here on this side of town, guys. Like I say, this is a shopping center where you can get basically everything that you need and some. We're gonna go over on the sidewalk over here. You guys see what we see? It's good. It's a little breeze going on. Little breeze going on. Matter was saying, blow your nose. Your horn sound all right. Oh, Bobby C was saying. Blow your nose. Watch that step.
Oh, seniors are coming to the road.
Puro chamaco. We'll have to go over there in a minute. We didn't go in there. That's puro sneakers and my shoes. You could have got some walking shoes over there. Go there and come back. Mucho gente. We're gonna actually go on that side and watch that car. Come on. Put up Brazil. For bras and socks. Allá la pura esquina. La tienda. Lo rojo. Sandotas, huh? Looks like it's tall. We'll cross at the light down there. Damn, it's a lot of people. God damn. Oh. Hasta mucho gente.
Tienes que esperar afuera del banco.
Si tiene feria. Si tiene feria.
Si tienen feria.
La gente no está bien pobre. Watch. No creo. Está bien pobre. Man, jumping out the car in the middle of the street, boy. Motherfucker jumped out that damn taxi, yeah. Shit, it's bumping. The taxi bumping. The taxi bumping. What's that? You kidding it? You gotta wait to cross. Popo right there.
She want me the time to see. Every man of you say they want break you. So you know me belly a leak you. Hey, cock it up, girl. 100 stop, this a 100 stop.
All right, guys, you saw this last night over here last night when we was over here at Emancipation Park. Now we over here in the daytime, so you can see the view of the daytime in the park. They probably gonna have some again tonight over here, but the lighting just to be able to get you guys a good clear video nighttime is not a good look, but they still have the tents and everything set up for the rest of probably the whole month, I would assume. Park open at 5 a.m. and closes at 11 p.m. midnight on the weekends. So yeah, they was getting ready to shut down at midnight last night. ¿Quieres sentar allá? Más adelante. Mira, la gente se tiene cobijas afuera.
Some picnic.
Oh, they're like they've been getting on. And the break of dawn. Yeah, people probably out here waiting, trying to get them a good spot. Hey, sentado allá.
Todo el día.
Look at that vato allá, esperando por allá. Todo el día sentado allá. No importa.
Un ratito. Tú sigues si quieres.
No, aquí está.
¿Está bien?
Sí.